everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use TOME AI to create presentations in just a second. So this is the website and you will be just logged in and I will be just logged in. So this is the AI generated website TOME.app. So what gonna do, you will be just tap on it, just generate with AI in just a second. So I will just tap on it, but it will says that TOME slides will be sunsetting on April 30, 2025. You will have a full access to TOME slides until April 30. So right now there is no available, but I will just show you some basics. It's already working, that you will be just give them a prompt like write a 5 slides of science presentations. So it will be just generating with this. I will just show you some example presents like this. This is the AI built for presentations. So get to great work faster using TOME AI. Just enter a prompt and go. So in this way it will be just created the slides right over here, and you will be just give them a prompt simply to create a presentation. So it will be just create in just a seconds. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.